Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on shared items notifications in Google Drive. If you've ever missed an important file someone shared with you, this quick setup will make sure you always stay updated the moment something comes your way. It's a simple process that only takes a minute, and I'll walk you through each step. First, grab your phone and open the main Settings app. We won't be going directly into Google Drive just yet. Everything starts in your phone's system settings. Once you're there, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps and tap on it. Inside the apps list, look for Google Drive. Depending on how many apps you have installed, you might need to use the search bar at the top or just scroll until you see it. Once you spot Google Drive, tap to open it. Now you're in the app settings for Google Drive. The next step is to tap on Notifications. This is where you'll find all the different types of alerts that Google Drive can send to your device. Within the Notifications menu, select Notification Categories. This option lets you customize exactly what kind of updates you want Google Drive to notify you about. From here, scroll until you see the option labeled Shared Items. This is the category that controls whether or not you get notified when someone shares a document, image, folder, or any other file with you. The last step is simple. Tap on Shared Items and toggle the switch to allow notifications. Once the switch is turned on, you're all set. From this point forward, anytime someone shares a file with you in Google Drive, you'll get a notification right on your device so you never miss it. And that's it. You've just learned how to enable shared items notifications in Google Drive. It's quick, easy, and makes a big difference if you rely on Drive for school, work, or personal projects. Staying connected to your shared files has never been easier. If this walkthrough helped you out, make sure to keep these settings in mind whenever you install Google Drive on a new device, so you're always ready to receive updates without missing a beat.